Hi guys, I'm Peter Maximilian Ronsdorf, an abstract artist based in Berlin, and today I want to show you one of my signature techniques using big splashes of vibrant, even neon colors.
A deeper pink,
It's a bit brighter,
it's a bit darker,
into the white, or blue,
Neapel yellow. Is that how it... Neapel yellow? All right.
This technique is very fun, freeing,
So give it a good shake again.
dynamic, and introduces a lot of energy onto the canvas. In this class, I'll walk you through my process step by step. We'll work with an unstretched and unprimed canvas.
I like to have it on the floor before stretching it because you can work with pressure on it.
And we'll be using lots of water.
Totally wet.
So prepare to get messy. Don't worry about specific tools. You can use anything you can find in your studio. We'll be making 2 pieces of art in this course, and I'll show you how to stretch and frame them. Let's see how that goes. So let's get messy and create something cool. I think we're good.